Good morning. I am collecting information for our class magazine. Can I ask you a few questions about your daily routine? Sure. What time do you usually get up? I usually get up at 6 a.m. What do you have for breakfast? I usually have bread and milk. When do you study? I study from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and again from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. What do you do in the evening? I often watch TV or do my homework. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed around 10 p.m. time.